Alright, it's time for another quick JavaScript exercise, and this one's going to cover variables and strings as well as the prompt and console.log methods that we just covered. And along with that, you'll be writing your JavaScript in a separate file, so you'll need to make an HTML file, a JavaScript file, you'll need to use a script tag to connect them, and then you'll run it in the browser. So you're going to make a very simple JavaScript stalker. Basically, when you refresh the page, it's going to ask you for your name, your first name, it's going to ask you for your last name, and it's going to ask you for your age. And then it's going to print out a string that says your full name is first name and last name, your age is your age. So I'll show you. I'm going to refresh the page here, and it's going to ask me for my first name. So let's go ahead and do my dog, Rusty, his last name, Steele, his age. Let's do dog years, 3. So it doesn't look like anything happened, but if I opened up my console, you'll see it says, your full name is Rusty Steele, you are 3 years old. So a few things I'll point out here. The spacing is really important. So it's easy to mess this up, to not have a space here or a space missing here or here. Make sure that you add those spaces in appropriately so that it's a nice formatted sentence. Also, these are 2 separate lines, so pay attention to that. And then one other thing is that you do not need to have any of this HTML here. This is just for me to explain it to you. You can just have a totally blank white page of HTML. Okay, so go ahead and attempt this. Pause the video, make your new file, your HTML, your JavaScript, and give it a go.